What's up, guys? This is your boy Gaming Boy here, and from the title, well, not the title, you can see my fidget spinner. How to spin faster. Well, I don't want to take off the cap off, because when I did that, I did it today. So then, because it went more slower, I had to put water on it, but then it couldn't come back. But my mum fixed it for me, which I'm very happy about. But so you basically take the cap off, take the other cap off, then you get your tap from the bathroom, you put the water in there, well, not the toilet water, of course. You put the water in there on the other side. Then you have to get like a good spin, like a very good spin. To spin fast. I'm not gonna take the barrels off, but I'll show you. This is the other easy secret way. So basically, just want to push it off really hard, guys. Like really hard. Basically, you would want to do it medium first, like that, and then like that, and then oh my god, and then super fast, like. See that, guys? That's really very fast. And then, yeah. You can see that if you do it faster, it goes backwards and forwards. So yeah, fidget spinners are only £3 only. I bought it from the internet, and yeah, the best colour you could get is green. Green's a really cool colour, because when it spins you can still see the green, and you can see a little bit of silver. My mother's got a black one, and my cousin, yeah, she's got a yellow one, but it's still in the box, because she lives in another house. So yeah, but we're not playing with it. But yeah, because we have our own fidget spinners. So yeah, so thanks for watching my video. I hope this tip works for you, and you don't need to take off the Bible. That's just stupid. I know it's good, but the tip off is just do it very fast. So thanks guys for watching my video, and subscribe, and